On the call this morning, U.S. markets are up 0.5% on news the Chinese economy grows faster than expected, eliminating concerns for a hard landing. European markets rally for the first time in 3 days on China growth, despite a Moody's downgrade of Ireland's debt to junk status, now joining Greece and Portugal. Google, Amazon, and Netflix all gain 1% in pre-market trading as JP Morgan initiates overweight coverage. I'm Alex Steele, and the morning call starts right now.
Good morning. I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer with T3Live.com.
And I'm Alex Steele with The Street, and together we bring you the morning call. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Scott, so yesterday we had the S&P close around 1313. Did we see that 50% retracement?
We actually came close, but we held above it, which showed a little bit more strength to the bulls. What we wanted to see commitment. We had a huge move off the 200-day moving average, into July 4th weekend. Everyone said it was too far, too fast. Will there be commitment? The S&Ps tried to hold their 50-day, and they almost reached their 50% mark, and buyers came in. That means dip buyers came in that missed that first furious, fast move. So that, to me, is a bullish, constructive sign.
Right, so is that the sign that then those who are kind of waiting on the sidelines should then now initiate those longs they've been waiting for? Do you have confirmation?
Well, yesterday, if they missed the move to 1340 and they wanted to buy the dip, we were around 1310. That was the area, and it's always hard when it's happening. That's why you have to be prepared beforehand. You have to look at the action of the leaders, the sectors, and really measure it as it goes. So if you look right here on the spiders, you will see that this is the area that we were talking about. This was a support that if we held, was very constructive. We even drew this line saying if we get down here, it's still okay considering the size of the move from the lower pivot all the way to that little island top. So right in here, this is the new pivot that traders are going to be trading against. It's like 131.30 area, and now we'll see, can we get above just say 133 and start going back to these highs? Right now, I think you have to be more neutral to positive than neutral to negative.
Does that mean that you have your go-to list ready to go if we do see that rally a little bit?
Yeah, well, we have our go-to list, and what we've wanted to see is, are they holding above their 10-day moving average? Are they still showing relative strength? They can even break their 10-day and hold their 20-day and still look very strong. And as of yesterday, most of them are doing so.
So then for a long-term investor, can they still be interested?
Yeah,
okay.
This go-to list is acting really well. Maybe you're not fully invested. There's a lot of headlines, but each time you're in a different type of environment. Like right now, IBD has us in a confirmed uptrend, but rally under pressure, which means you just have to have a bit more caution. It's not just like a green light to
Don't
go
put
all
all your
in.
money in there. Exactly. Okay.